What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Make It Tasty. Now, it is Christmas week and I cannot talk today. Do you hear my voice? Girl, don't even get me started. Today, I'm showing you how to make a Christmas Dutch baby. Now, a Dutch baby is also known as a German pancake. Basically, it's a large pancake or a popover in a skillet that you can serve in slices, and you know what? It's just one of the most simple but amazing things ever. So let's get started.
To get started, in a large bowl, I'm going to put some all-purpose flour. To this flour, I'm adding some room temperature eggs and some granulated sugar. Also adding a little spice mixture, which is cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, and salt, and some room temperature milk. You just want to whisk all of this together until it is nicely combined and stop mixing when it just comes together because we never like to overmix. Now in my cast iron skillet, I have some butter that I'm going to leave in there, and we're going to move on to the apple mixture that we are going to top this with. So in a heavy bottom sauce pot, I'm adding some apples that I've peeled and thinly sliced. I have a Honeycrisp and 2 Granny Smith for a nice little combination. I'm adding some brown sugar and some more spices, allspice, nutmeg, cloves, cinnamon, and salt, and some freshly squeezed orange juice. Now you just want to mix this together and cook it on a medium heat until it becomes bubbly and the apples become tender. Now the butter I put in my cast iron skillet, I'm going to put in a 425 degree oven, remove it when the butter is melted, and then we're going to pour in our batter. Once the batter is in the pan, put it back in the oven at 425 for about 15 minutes. Once your apple mixture is nice and bubbly on the stove, you can thicken it by mixing some cornstarch and some water and adding this mixture to the apples. This will make the sauce nice and thick and it'll coat the apples beautifully. And once you are at this step and it thickens, just leave it on a low heat until you're ready to use it. Once your Dutch baby has been in the oven for about 15 minutes and it looks like this, you're going to turn the oven down to 300 and put it in for 5 more minutes. Now once your Dutch baby is completely done and out of the oven, just pour all of that gorgeous apple mixture on top of the Dutch baby. And because it's the holidays and we love extra flair, dust some powdered sugar on there as well.
Here we have it, folks, a Christmas Dutch baby. I love the way this puffs up around the edges. It is so cool. And this just goes to show you that it doesn't matter if a recipe is simple, it can still be amazing and special. Thanks so much for joining me today. I will be back next week with another great recipe and episode for you guys. The recipe for this is on my website, makeitTastyWithAJ.com. Go check that out because you can see my blog and all of my other recipes as well. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave some comments for me. And of course, hit the subscribe button. Hope you guys have a fantastic holiday. And remember, if you're gonna make it, you better make it tasty. I'll see you next time.